subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo is reportedly gearing up to launch its new smartphone under V series, which is set to call Vivo V17. Before the official launch, the Vivo V17 live images were leaked online that showed the smartphone with quad camera setup on the rear panel in diamond-shaped module including LED flash. At the front, the display appears to have a water drop notch at the top center that carries an selfie camera. Recently, a new smartphone was spotted on TINA listing with V1945T and V1945A model number, which is expected to be Vivo V17, as the smartphone images in TINA listing matches with the live images of Vivo V17. Talking about the specifications, according to TINA listing, the upcoming Vivo phone will support a 6.38-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and the screen will support an in-display fingerprint sensor. The smartphone will come powered by unknown 2 GHz octa-core processor. The phone is listed to pack in two configurations, 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of inbuilt storage. In terms of camera, the quad rear cameras of the phone will feature a 48 megapixel main camera plus 8 megapixel secondary camera, and the other two cameras will be 2 megapixel. For selfies, the phone will include 32 megapixel front camera. As per the software, the upcoming Vivo phone will run on Android 9 Pie, and it will come equipped by 4390 mAh of battery that might support fast charging. The physical dimensions of the phone is listed to measure at 159.25 by 75.19 by 8.68 mm and will weigh around 186.7 grams. Apart from this, there is no other details of Vivo V17 has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Vivo V17 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.